In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook with Google Slides. We'll go from a blank file to a polished PDF you can share or publish, using straightforward steps that keep everything clean, readable, and consistent. Start by opening Google Slides and choosing a blank presentation. This gives you a clean slate with no distractions. Next, set the page size so your ebook reads like a real book. Go to File, then Page Setup. Choose Custom, and set it to a portrait page such as 8.5 by 11 inches. This makes each slide match a standard page size, which will export neatly to a PDF. On the first slide, design your cover page. Keep it simple and impactful. A clear title, an optional subtitle, and your name or brand if you want. Choose a high-contrast color scheme so text stands out against the background. A single strong image or a clean color block works great. Center your elements and leave space around the edges so it feels balanced. Now build the content in slides that represent each chapter or section. Add a new slide for each part and use text boxes for your headings and body text. Break long paragraphs into shorter chunks for better readability and use images to illustrate key points or examples. Keep margins consistent by leaving comfortable space on all sides and use line spacing that feels open and easy on the eyes. Consistency is everything in an ebook. Pick one or two fonts, one for headings and one for body text, then stick with them. Choose a small, cohesive color palette and reuse it across all slides. To keep layouts uniform, duplicate a finished slide and replace the text and images rather than reinventing the design each time. This helps the ebook feel professional and keeps readers focused on your content. Add page numbers to help readers navigate. You can place a small number in a footer area or type a tiny number in the same spot on each slide. Keep it subtle, like a small gray or muted color, and position it consistently, bottom left, center, or right, so it doesn't distract from your text. When everything looks good, export your ebook. Go to File, then Download, and choose PDF document. After it downloads, open the PDF to make sure the formatting, images, and page breaks look the way you expect. That exported PDF is your ebook file. You can now share it, include it in an email, or list it wherever you distribute your content. And that's it. Simple, clean, and ready to go.